everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to our channel, welcome to our channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos. Follow us along for upcoming adventures. So today I am in Santa Cruz, Costa Rica, but it's 15 minutes from Nicoya towards Liberia. So it's another little shopping town we come to when we need certain things. There's an Econo right here. There's also a Maxi Pally. So randomly we'll come here. But yeah, I just thought I'd do a walkthrough here of Santa Cruz. A lot of people see Santa Cruz on the map and they're curious as to what it is. Maybe they think it's a beach town or something like that, which it's not. It is a town where people do a lot of shopping and they come in from all the little villages and towns around here, so a lot like Nicoya. So yeah, we're just gonna take a walk down the main street here, down into the old part of town, and yeah, just show you what it's like here in Santa Cruz. Let's go. So yeah, there's an Econo right here at the main entrance to this main road. Grocery store here, Mega Super. A lot of restaurants along this road too. So here's Soda El Tenedor. Looks like a good little place. So there's a little strip mall here with a super salon, Payless Shoes, Pizza Hut, Goyo Optical. And Goyo across, so that's again like a Best Buy. Little boutique stores, paint store. So we've never actually walked around Santa Cruz before, just driven through. So it's kind of cool to walk it and see what you guys are seeing as well for the first time, not just going through quickly in a car. Bank of Costa Rica. Shane and I came to this restaurant one time. It was pretty good. Cool little atmosphere too. If you had it closed, it would be cool to show you. It's 10 o'clock in the morning right now. Nice house right here. ¿Todo bien? It's La Curacao. That's funny, the guy on the bike, he helped with building our house when we first moved down. Now we're getting to like the older part of the town. You can see the roads all made out of bricks. It's not paved. Kind of cool though to just find some really good restaurants in Santa Cruz. Check them out someday. School here on the right.
Solares a tu casa. Si quieres operarte los ojos o comprar una laptop, cuando la vida te ponga una oportunidad, tenés un préstamo personal para cumplir.
Big supermarket here. Park here. Fruit vendors. Sports store, another optical place. It's like a mechanic shop here. That's kind of cool. Looks clean in there. Yeah, different home type stores, different things, kind of like Al Ray if you guys watch that video. So a few farmacias here as well. Some restaurants, hotel. Trying to walk on the street so there's no cars in the way in the video that are parked. So Am Express again, kind of like the Goyo. Very similar. Supermercado. Another Goyo, so there's two of them here. Another electronic store. There's a lot of electronic stores here. It's crazy. Jewelry store. The bike shop here. Super Pro bikes. Shop. Yeah, a lot of clothing stores as well, same as how Nicoya is. Some pollo frito, rico, rico. Costa Ricans love their fried chicken.
Llegan los días de regalones a Cadena de Tiendas El Regalón. Este 13, 14 y 15 de noviembre.
A little surf and skate shop, it looks like. Yeah, you got like skate shoes in there and stuff. Sandals here too. Another electronics store. Moose Manny Bakery. Another surf clothing shop. And we're at the park here. It's actually really cool. I kind of walk around it a little bit. Show you guys. So they're doing some work there on the stage. ¿Todo bien? ¿Todo bien? And then they got this really old clock tower, which is really cool. So we'll go a little bit further down here. It's a nice park. All right, so I'll end the walking tour here at the park. There's not much further down that way for you guys to see. A couple other stores. Looks like another barber, probably another electronics shop or something like that. So yeah, that's it. That's Santa Cruz. That's the main street here. Obviously there is all these side streets that go off, so there's other places you can go shopping, other restaurants, things like that. But yeah, this park's really cool. We're gonna hang out here for a little bit, take some photos, and yeah, it's cool to walk through here, see what Santa Cruz has to offer. And yeah, if you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao. Actitud